In this video, I'd like to review the Mayan system of numeration and how we convert between Mayan numerals and our own Hindu-Arabic numerals. To begin, remember that the Mayan civilization had perhaps three outstanding characteristics or qualities regarding their numeration system. First, they were the only ancient society that had a symbol for zero from the very beginning. Second, they used a positional system, unheard of to either the Romans or the Egyptians. Number three, they tied their positional numeration system to their calendar of 360 days. So in their positional system, the first place was the ones place. The second place, the base place, which would be the 20s place. Now here comes the adjustment. In the third place, which would normally be 20 squared, for the Mayans, they made this 20 times 18, which is 360, which is the number of days in their calendar. In fact, the banking system today uses 360 days in some of their yearly applications, left over from the Mayans. And then in the fourth place, this now was 20 squared times 18. So you see, once they linked their numeration system to the calendar in the third place, that link continued throughout their system. Alrighty, let's see how we would convert a Mayan numeral into Hindu-Arabic. So let's take this as an example. Let's have a bar. Let's have a bar and two dots, and let's have two bars. Now you want to remember the Mayan system is read upward. It's read upward. So this is the ones place, the 20s place, and the 20 times 18s place. Now what we do is take the value. So a bar is 5, so this is 5 times 1. A bar and two dots would be 5 and 2, 7. 7 times 20. Two bars, 5 and 5 would be 10. 10 times 20 times 18. So we'll multiply these and add them up. So let's take the first, and we've got 10 times 20 times 18, that's 3,600. 7 times 20, 140. 5 times 1 is 5. And we'll add this up, 3745. So this numeral, bar, bar, two dots, two bars, in Mayan, is equivalent to 3,745 in Hindu-Arabic. For our second example, let's go the other way. This time, let's take a Hindu-Arabic numeral and convert it into Mayan. So let's take 1945, the year World War II ended. And I want to write 1945 in Mayan. Now, I have to decide, how many ones I have, how many 20s, how many 360s, how many 20 squared times 18, and so on. Well, 20 squared times 18 is quite a large number. That's 7,200. Well, we certainly don't have any of those in 1945. So I come down here to 360, and I wonder how many 360s in 1945. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 5 is 15, between 5 or 6. So I'll take 1945, divide by 360. It will go in there 5 times. That means I have 5 360s in 1945. I'll multiply 5 times 360, which will give me 1,800, and I subtract to see what's left. Well, I'm left with 145. My next question, how many 20s would that be? Well, 20 times 7, I know is 140. So I have 7 20s in 145, and I'll multiply and subtract, and I have 5 ones left over. So 1945 in base 10, in Mayan has 5 360s, 7 20s, and 5 1s. And now I will write this numeral in Mayan, remembering Mayan write from bottom up. So in the ones place, I have 5, and that would be a bar. In the next, I have a 7, a bar, and 2 dots. And in the third place, a 5. So here's that numeral in Mayan. Hope this helps you understand Mayan numerals, the significance of their outstanding mathematical system of numeration, and reviewing this conversion process. As always, we're all here together for one thing, and that's your success. And I want to add enjoyment of mathematics.